Hello everyone, thanks for joining us for another episode of Foxy TV. As the title alludes to, this week we will be taking you behind the scenes of a very busy morning which included 3 installs, a pack up and a removal job. I thought this type of episode would give a good insight into a busy day here at Foxy, so let's get into it. The first job of the day was at Roach Tower. Now, the truck was packed the afternoon before for all 3 jobs, so the team were able to get out of here and to the install at Roach Tower at about 8 a.m. So Janessa met them there and they were able to get everything off the truck into the house in about 45 minutes. So they were out of there by about 8:45 while Janessa stayed behind to steam the beds, hang the artwork and generally just finish up at the install. So Russ and Cam in the truck hit the road and headed north to Wavel Heights for the second job, the second install of the day, where Phoebe and I were getting started. Good morning everyone from Wavel Heights this morning on the north side of Brisbane. Nice big deck out here. We're doing an apartment for Vine Property. Look at the views, nice views. Fair few stairs at this house though, this apartment. The guy should be here in about 15 and we'll get things underway. Cam, 10 past 10, and you guys are just about to head off.
The install's done already. 4 flights of stairs. Good for a Wednesday morning after football training.
And now where are you off to?
Off to a pack up, finish that one off, but Jake's already started. And then we got our 3rd install and 4th job today at Camp Hill after that.
As Cam mentioned, Jake was already at the next job, pack up in Cooperoo, getting stuff out of the house ready for the truck to arrive.
So I just got here to the pack up for the day. This is the 3rd in the schedule, but I've kind of jumped ahead, went straight from the first install to this pack up. The rest of the team, or most of the team, are at the 2nd install. So I'm here just to get a bit of a head start. So I'm going to start packing these things up so that when the boys get here with the truck, everything is ready to go. All the beds are stripped, all the accessories are in buckets, and I'll get as much of this out the front of the apartment as well, so that they shouldn't even have to come inside apart from a couple of big things. So just trying to save as much time as we can. So in big days like this, when we know that we're going to be under a bit of time pressure, obviously having more people come out, so I'm out helping, Cody's out helping, that makes a big difference. But wherever we can try and shorten how long the truck is at a particular property, it helps. So this one's all about getting the furniture out of the apartment. So we're at the end of an apartment block. It's going to take quite a bit of time to get everything out. So if I can get most of that kind of back and forth ferrying furniture done before they even get here, then when they get here, all they really have to do is throw the stuff on the truck. So it's all about saving time to make it as efficient as we can.
Cam and Russ headed to Cooperoo to meet Jake and Janessa, while Phoebe and I finished up the install at Wavel Heights. Okay, it's 10:40. We've finished up, Phoebe and I just finished up the install here in Waverton Heights. The guys left about half an hour ago, as you would have seen, as I would have shown you, to go to the pack up in Cooperoo. They would be there now. Jake was helping them get some furniture out before they arrived, as you also would have seen. So I'm dropping keys back to Vine Property, and Phoebe, I believe, is headed straight to the Camp Hill install, which will be our 3rd install of the day, and then I'm going to join her there. So let's go. What are you up to, Russ?
Mate, over to Sherwood now to do a removal of some shelving, I think. Some shelving. So, yeah. 4 jobs done already. 1 more.
As Jake mentioned earlier in the episode, it's important to keep the truck moving, so we all quickly got all the furniture off the truck as quickly as possible and let Cam and Russ head off to the removal job, while Jake, Phoebe, myself and Janessa stayed at Camp Hill at the install to finish off. So Jake, it's 12:20 and we're all just leaving here at Camp Hill. That's 3 installs,
One pack up.
one pack up, and the guys are doing a removal pretty much right on midday. That's pretty impressive.
Not bad for I was gonna say a half day's work, a little more than half day. Yeah, I mean that's the beauty of having your own logistics team in-house, that we're able to change things last minute and kind of make changes on the go as well. And today, you're out here, I'm out here, so we knew we had a big day and we needed to be fast, so we threw an extra couple of people at it. Just kind of works out that way a bit better. You can. I managed to get ahead to the pack up before the truck got there, so I could do half of their work before they're even there, so it doesn't tie people up. And that's kind of the beauty of having your own team, is you can do that sort of stuff, and that's what we're kind of doubling down on.
And that's it for this week's Foxy TV episode. I hope it wasn't too confusing, changing locations, chopping and changing, and hopefully the narration and the maps helped out a little bit and you got something useful out of the episode. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you back here next week.